Tips to an honest weight loss strategy. Fast weight loss seems to be all the rage these days, but the question is, can you do it? Losing weight is definitely a challenge for you to undertake, because you are probably doing it against your will, habits that have been built over several years, and against your genes. So what will it take for you to lose weight? Although you may think that you can or not do it because of the above reasons, you need to realize that yes, you can. There are several tips that may help you develop an honest weight loss strategy which will work for you. Make sure to subscribe to not miss future videos. And gives us a thumbs up. 1. Attitude. The first thing you need to do is develop an "I can do it" attitude. Without this attitude, you might as well throw in the towel now. You need to work hard at building and maintaining that attitude and do not give up. Instead, you need to try and relax and set your mind to doing it. Try visualizing yourself once you have reached your goal. Think about how good you will feel and how healthy you will be. 2. Support system. The next thing that you need is a good support system, or a team if you will. This will offer you even more motivation if you've got an honest network of family and friends who will stand behind you the entire way. There will even be less risk of you abandoning if you've got a robust backing of support. You might even want to consider joining others that have the same goal in mind as you. There are even good forums on the web today which will provide you with support along your way. These forums help provide you with strength and determination to maneuver you forward. 3. Gear and tools. This is a very important step as it will help you stay focused from beginning to end. You need to be aware of how you are going to achieve your weight loss goal. Also, you'll got to supply yourself with the proper foods and supplements which will aid you along the way. You need to be sure that you have all of these things, and others that you may think of, or those that others have suggested to keep you going to that golden finish line. 4. Schedule. You will need to also set a schedule and an overall time goal. Your weight loss goal will take time and cannot be achieved overnight. You need to make a goal that is both ideal and realistic to you and mark it on a calendar somewhere that you will see it every day. This will help your mind stay focused and visualize the finish line. 5. Fun. The most important thing for you to remember is to have fun. You need to remember that you are doing this for yourself and possibly your health. Having fun while doing it will make it seem like less of a chore. These are just some of the tips to a successful weight loss strategy. You need to remember to keep your goal in mind and you will be well on your way to your weight loss goals. If you like our videos, subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Enjoy your journey.